Hey, it's me. Check this out. Look at these storms, dude. It's awesome looking. You got one. These are the ones with the tornado warnings on them right now. There's another one right there. Another big old cell. Check that one out. Looks beautiful from where I'm at right now. Look how big that shit is. All the way around. It's humongous, dude. Look at these bastards. There's one with a tornado in it right now. Supposedly the big and baddest one. Down there just went past Rice, I guess. Looks like an atomic bomb from where I'm standing, dude. Amazing. Zoom in on this. Shit is beautiful. Gorgeous.